Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Bryson from Eggs and Things ʻOlina. Just want to send my thoughts and prayers to all the frontline workers and also the restaurants that are currently serving their communities. So I'm going to go ahead and make an omelet for you folks. Here at Eggs and Things, we're known for our pancakes, omelets, and crepes. We use all local products. So we got 3 local eggs beat up. I'm going to add it to the pan. We're going to let that cook on medium heat. While that's going, our very own pancake mix that we serve here in the restaurant, we're going to go ahead and put it on a griddle. You can use any fruit you want. Today I'm going to be putting chocolate chips in it. You're going to go ahead and let the egg cook. We make a French flip omelet here at Eggs and Things, not your traditional buffet style omelet station omelet. So we cook the egg in first, and we create the shell of the egg. All right. And when you start to see the egg kind of bubble from underneath, I'm going to make our spinach and bacon and cheese omelet. That's our most popular omelet, but you can go ahead and use any meat or anything you want in it. I'm going to drop the cheese down first, followed by the spinach. And then you can go ahead and crisp up some bacon and add that. Once we got the shell, we're going to flip it. We're going to allow that to cook and steam underneath. Meanwhile, once the pancake batter starts to bubble a little bit, you're going to go ahead and flip. Okay, going to add the omelet to the plate. You got your chocolate chip pancakes. You can top it with a little more chocolate chip. Some whipped cream. And a little bit of macadamia nut. And there you have it. Few stuff that we have here in the restaurant that you can easily make at home. Hope that you continue to stay safe during this time. And we hope to see you once everything gets back to normal. Aloha.